Hey guys, getting ready for a trip to Colorado with my buddy Daniel. It's gonna be sweet. And then on Sunday afternoon, we're droning the Rocky Mountains. Almost packed. Got my Mavic drone. Pair of sticks for playing Sunday night. MIDI box for playing keys on the Sunday morning service. Lots of black and gray clothes for hiking, playing, things like that. On my way to the airport. Columbus, direct flight to Denver. Here we go! Okay, we just got done with service. Right behind me is Roosevelt Park. Dylan is my guide. What year is this?
This year is 2020.
Year
1994.
1994. Super pumped. Praying we get some good shots.
Yeah, that's all good. And I just want the sandwich though, and can I get...
All right, we made it. This is the secret spot. There's a giant crack there that you can climb up. I'm not doing it because I currently don't have health insurance, but yeah, this is a really cool spot. The Rockies that I'm standing, pretty amazing. I feel like Pocahontas standing on the edge. It's very epic Disney feel. Stanley Hotel, more famously known for the Shining movies, but they said this piano was actually played and tuned by John Philip Sousa. Okay, I'm out here outside of the Stanley Hotel. Talked to the hotel staff and they said it's fine. I just can't drone in any windows, if you can believe that. Makes sense. We'll fly over it, so let's do it. I'm here with my friend Daniel Groves. Matt Drone's on.
What's up, guys? I am wearing a shirt. It's just half camo.
Yeah, just black strips. That's on electrical tape.
I know you were like, wait, does that guy have a shirt on?
Exactly.
I do. It's camo. It's a combo.
Yeah. So you've seen the drone footage. What did you think of it? It's not finished yet, but
It's incredible. I think capturing
Go on.
the guy that's on top,
Yes.
and you just probably saw it. It looked like a movie.
Yeah, thank you.
It's like I was watching a feature film.
Avatar 2.
It's like a feature film in a dollar theater.
Okay.
It's not quite like
Okay,
in
it
a
gets hurtful.
mainstream theater.
Anyways, hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.